I'd flip through catalogs and wonder, what kind of dining set defines me as a person?
I've looked at these circles for so long, I see them when I close my eyes.